Welcome to another episode of Upuzela. My name is Eres and this is another exciting episode of Upuzela. Bheka, silakwa my vandag. Khona inkazana, khona amajita, khona ne purple gang, wonke ama alphabet. Bheka, so babuza today ukuthi Upuzela. For Upuzela. Like I said, my Ejam, igama lakho?
Igama lami uGelo. Bana bangibeza ngoZ.
Okay,
Big Z.
Big Z. Wena Upuzela.
Angiphuza ukujabula mina.
Uphuzela ukujabula?
Ukujabula.
Can you reason?
Hayi ayikho.
So, injani experience kaMaya so far?
Indawo le? Hayi mnandi kakhulu.
Mnandi kakhulu?
Hayi yabona la. Sekhaya. Sekhaya la.
KukaMaya nomfazi ungakhethani? Ungakhethani?
Awumfazi wami uyazi ukuthi ngizokhetha ubutshwala vele.
Uzokhetha utshwala vele. Okay, friend. To wrap it up. Umuntu makathi uza kwaMaya, kumele spende malini?
Why more than 5,000?
More than 5K?
More than 5K.
More than
In my mind, more than 5K.
Ha!
More than 5K.
Okay, so none of this when manager on my mind, man, budget
Yeah.
at least 5K.
5K.
Okay, last question.
Yeah.
Score the store.
Ascot. No, hello.
And yes, Hi.
Well, bafo.
Now,
Yes.
Mina, yabulela abatafana na. Abarini ba.
Baba.
Stop.
Sure.
This is another episode of Upuzela. Check.